students, let's continue with the question number 13. Here in this question they have given that point D and E, they lie on AC and BC of triangle ABC where angle C is right angle. And we have to prove here that AE square plus BD square is AB square plus DE square. Now if you observe this carefully, all this AE, BD, AB and DE. Let's see that what is AE. So if you observe that AE is forming a hypotenuse for ACE triangle. If you observe BD, so BD is again an hypotenuse of triangle BCD. AB is again hypotenuse for triangle ACB, and DE is again hypotenuse for DCE. So here basically you observe that this all which we have to prove, they are the hypotenuse of respective or the triangles of right angle. So basically we have to just go for the right angle triangles. We have to find out for AE square, BD square, AB square and DE square. Then we have to add this 2 and this 2, and automatically we obtain the right hand side. So let us continue with this. I'll start with for AE. So let us start, prove this. Now for triangle ACE, as angle C is right angle, it is given into the data. I'll use Pythagoras theorem for the same. So AC square, as C is right angle, so AE square is AC square plus CE square. This is we obtain first. As I required BD as an hypotenuse, so for triangle BCD, we can write angle C is right angle. So BD is the hypotenuse. So BD square is BC square plus CD square. This is equation number 2. Let us do the sum of equation 1 and 2. Add 1 and 2. Why I am doing this? I require the same on the left hand side, AE square plus BD square. So AE square plus BD square. I'll do the sum of the right hand side, AC square plus CE square plus BC square plus CD square. I'll give this as an equation number 3. Let us continue in the question further. As I told you, the next hypotenuse, that is of AB. So for triangle, mean triangle, for triangle ACB, we can say that angle C is right angle again. So now this time AB is the hypotenuse. So AB square is AC square plus BC square. I'll give this as an equation number 4. I'll continue this question. Now I'll require DE. So for triangle DCE, again angle same, that is C is the right angle. Using Pythagoras we can say that DE square is DC square plus CE square. This is an equation number 5. See the right hand side of the required AB square plus DE square. The same I'll do for 4th and 5th equation. So add equation number 4 and 5th. So the 4th left hand side is AB square, and in the equation 5, that is DE square. I'll add the right hand side, that is AC square plus BC square plus DC square plus CE square. This is equation number 6. Now students, observe this, both the equation, that is equation 3 and 6, both the equation and the right hand side. It's AC square, CE square, CE square, BC square, CD square. So you can see that of both this equation 3 and 6, the right hand sides are same. So we can say the left hand sides are also equal. So from equation 5 and equation 6, we can say that AE square plus BD square. This is the left hand side of equation 3. This is, third. The left hand side is same as the left hand side of equation 6. So you can see that hence we obtain the required. Hence we prove the theorem. Let's continue with the question number 14. It is said that the perpendicular from A on side BC is intersecting BC at point D. So it is given AD is perpendicular to BC such that the length of BD is thrice 3 times of CD. So we have to prove that 2AB square is equals to 2AC square plus BC square. So students, it looks quite difficult, but remember, you have to just find out AB square, AC square, BC square. Then you have to merge them. So you'll automatically obtain the answer. So let's go for this AC first. So for triangle, you can see here ADC, angle D, that is right angle. So I'll use the Pythagoras theorem that AC square is equals to AD square plus CD square. But look at here, I require 2 AC square. So let us multiply this equation with 2, both the sides. So why I am doing this? It's purely based on the answer which you require. So in the first, you can see that the first equation I obtained, that is 2 AC square. Now let's get BC square. So the length of BC is not given. So we can say that BC is nothing but is sum of CD plus BD. BC is equals to CD plus BD. That you can see. But we have the relation of BD and CD. That BD is 3 times CD. So BC can be written 4 CD. The reason BD is 3 times CD. But you can see that we required BC square. So I'll do the square here. So I'll obtain 16 CD square. I have done square both the sides. Now look at this. The right hand side, it is 2AC square plus BC square. So I have to do the sum of this two. So as we'll do this, add equation 1 and 2. Why I am doing this? As I told you that we'll obtain the right hand side. So 2AC square plus BC square is equals to, that is 2AD square plus 2CD square plus 16 CD square. So 16 plus 2, that is equals to 18 CD square. So this is the value of 2AC square plus BC square which we obtained. I'll give this as an equation number 3. So you can see that students, the right hand side, that is 2AC square BC square we obtain, plus here we obtain. Now this value 2AB square, we have to obtain the same value. So let us go for it. हम इसको proof करते हैं. Again, you can see that for triangle ADB, angle D, that is given right angle. So we'll use Pythagoras. So AB square is equals to AD square plus BD square. As I told you previously, we required 2AB square. So we will multiply the equation with 2. So 2AB square is equals to 2AD square plus 2BD square. We have the relation of BD and CD. So let us substitute that value. 2AD square plus 2. BD is 3CD. So here we'll obtain 2AB square is equals to 2AD square. And 3 3s are 9 2s are 18 CD square. This is I'll give as an equation number 4. Now students, look at the right hand side of fourth equation and the right hand side of third equation. This one, the third one. Look at this. It's 2AD square 18 CD square. 2AD square 18 CD square. So we will compare equation number 3 and 4. As the right hand sides are same, so we can say that the left hand sides are also equal. So 2AB square is 2AC square plus BC square. Hence the required is proved. Let us continue with the question number 15. It is given that ABC is an equilateral triangle and point D which lie on BC such that the length of BD is 1/3 of BC. So we have to prove that it's 9 times AD square is 7 times AB square. So what I have done here first, let construct AE which perpendicular to BC. So as we discussed earlier also, in an equilateral triangle, when we construct a perpendicular from any vertex to its opposite side, it's also bisect. So we can say B is also same as C. That means E is from right angle as well as the midpoint also. This is existing only for the right angle triangle. Sorry, only for an equilateral triangle. Now, as we required AD square, so you can see that for triangle AED, angle E is right angle, and I'll use Pythagoras for the same. So square of the hypotenuse equals to AE square plus DE square. Now let me give this as an equation number 1. Now look at here, the students, that you require 9 times AD square is 7 times AB square. मतलब हमें AD और AB का रिलेशन लाना है. अब हम क्या करेंगे, एज इट इज ऑलरेडी गिवन इट इज एन इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल, तो लेट सपोज द लेंथ ऑफ ए बी एज ए विच इज सेम एज बी सी एंड सेम एज ए सी, बिकॉज इट इज एन इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल. वी हैव ऑल्सो डिस्कस दैट द लेंथ ऑफ एन एल्टीट्यूड इन एन इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल, दोबारा, द लेंथ ऑफ एल्टीट्यूड in an equilateral triangle is always root 3 by 2 into the side of this triangle. तो AE का लेंथ हमें मिल गया, दैट इज रूट 3 by 2, जो हमें यहां पे चाहिए था. नाउ वी रिक्वायर DE. सो फॉर DE सबसे पहले हम BE ऑब्टेन करेंगे. सो एज इट इज गिवन दैट द लेंथ ऑफ BE is half of BC, but BC is equals to A. So BE is also obtained A upon 2. So this is another value which we obtain. मगर मुझे DE चाहिए था, तो DE कैसे मिलेगा? We have the BD which is in the term of BC and we have BE. तो सबसे पहले यहाँ पे जो रिलेशन है, the relation between BD and BC, which is given, BD is 1/3 of BC. So we can say that BC is equals to 1/3 of BC, as BC is A, so it is A by 3. So remember students, I'll use AE for this and I am going to obtain DE by using this too. Fine, it's BD, I am sorry. इन दोनों को यूज कर दे. Now look at this triangle. अब triangle देखो, it's B dash D dash E. मतलब from diagram we can say that BE is equals to BD plus DE. We require DE, so we will make DE as a subject. So BE minus BD is equals to DE. The value of BE we have already obtained यहाँ पे, that is A upon 2. We will substitute here, and in the last we obtain BD also, that is A upon 3, which we will substitute here, that is A upon 3. So let us simplify this, as the LCM is 6, so it comes 3A minus 2A upon 6. So the length of DE which we obtain, that is A by 6. Now this value we have, that is AE, and this value we have, that is of DE. So from equation 1, 2 and 3, so AD square is equals to AE, the value of AE is root 3 by 2, A the whole square, plus D square, that is A by 6 the whole square. So AD square is equals to, I'll do the square, so it becomes 3A square by 4 plus it becomes A square by 36. This is what we obtain here. Let's take the LCM here, that AD square, the LCM must be 36. So 9 3s are 27 A square plus A square upon 36. So I'll continue simplifying this. So I'll get AD square is equals to 28 A square upon 36. We can see that this both are divisible by 7 4s are. and 7 nines, 9 fours are. So I'll take this 9 here. So it is 9 AD square is equals to, as it is cut, 7. You can say that A is nothing but it is AB. So it is 7 AB square, because A is equals to AB as we have discussed. So hence we prove this value. So I hope students you are getting this. This question which we have done just now, that is a 15 number, is also very important. Let's continue with the question number 16. It is given that in an equilateral triangle, we have to prove that 3 times the square of any side is equals to 4 times the square of the length of any altitude of this triangle. So here I have taken AD as an altitude. आप कोई भी ले सकते हो. You can draw BD also, CD also, or BE and CF. हमें कोई एक ही लेना है. So I have taken AD. So it is given that triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. It is an equilateral triangle. Let us find, suppose that the length of all the side of this triangle, that is equals to A. Just the previous question we have done that the length of an altitude of an equilateral triangle is fixed and that is root 3 by 2A. तो स्टूडेंट्स आप वैसे भी सीधा कर सकते हो. इफ दिस क्वेश्चन विल कम इन द 2 मार्क्स. अगर ये 3 मार्क्स में आ रहा है, सो वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट द लेंथ ऑफ AD. तो हम वैसा सोच के कर रहे हैं कि इफ दिस क्वेश्चन कम्स इन द 3 मार्क्स. ओके, सो we can say that the length of BD must be half of BC, क्योंकि when we construct an altitude, we should remember that altitude is also considered as the median. So we can say BD is A by 2. Now I'll take this for triangle ADB. Angle D is right angle. I'll use Pythagoras. AB square is equals to AD square plus BD square. So AB square, I'll keep it as it is. AD square, okay, let me just substitute the value here. I'll make AD as an subject, which we have to find out. So AB square minus BD square is equals to AD square. Now I'll substitute the value of AB. The length of AB, that is A. The length of BD, that is A by 2 square, is AD square. I'll expand here. So it is A square minus A square upon 4 is equals to AD square. I'll take the LCM here. So when I'll take the LCM, it is 4A square minus A square upon 4 is equals to AD square. I'll take this 4 to the right hand side. So here I obtain 3A square is equals to 4AD square. So you can say that we suppose A as an AB or AB as an A. So let us substitute 3AB square is equals to 4AD square. Hence we prove this question. Let us come to the last question of this exercise. It is the choose the correct. It is an MCQ. It is given in triangle ABC. AB is given 6 root 3. AC is this. BC is this. Then what is the length of, or what is the measure of angle B? So let me just do the square of all the sides which are given. 6 root 3 the whole square. So it is 36 3s are. It's 108. Let me go for AC square. It's a square of 12. It's 144. And BC square. It is the square of 6. So it is 36. Now you can see that if I'll do the sum of AB square and BC square, so that is 108 plus 36. That comes 144. So here we obtain AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. So using the converse of Pythagoras theorem, we can say that angle B is equals to 90 degree, which is given, that is option C. Thank you.